so far only to attend wedding, and will be there till reception. So this is what I like to do when I'm traveling, putting my hand out of the window and just feeling the hair, and I feel like I'm flying. It's the best thing to do, but yes, you have to watch out. And in between, a break, small break, as the sun is going up and it is summer starting. It's really need a break to have coconut water, and dehydration has to be taken out by hydrating ourselves. And almost we have reached the city of Mysore, and I must say that the technology what they have found, maps, is awesome, because without maps, just imagine how we used to find our addresses day way before this came. Actually, we used to ask each and everyone, put round and round, and then we used to find our way. But now we just call someone in the place, tell them to send the location through WhatsApp, and done, we are on the way, and it will be just few minutes to reach the place. I really admire the technology. Sometimes it's too good, sometimes yes, but anyway, we reached the place, and this is the place where the wedding is going to be, and it looks really amazing, and we are just in baby. And the first thing we always search for in a wedding is the kitchen, dining room. Yes, because we are totally tired and we have traveled so long. We really need a break and a food which satisfies our hunger. And here we are. And it was really nice, because that is the first thing I usually see, because I don't know about others. And this is the parking, has such a huge parking, and we are here to carry our own luggages because no one is going to do it for us. And we are just unloading our packages, because though it is just a wedding, we have to carry each and everything, and I am a bit choosy, so I have to have some of the things which I have to have, like choose between. So this is the hall inside, and this is the convention hall, big, and this is the way they have arranged. Typically I like the traditional weddings and ceremonies, because it is very nice to see how decorative it will be decorated, and it's very convenient to roam around and enjoy others' wedding or the parties than what we host or do, because then we will be very busy doing our own works. But here we can enjoy others who have done it, and we can just chill. So now we are going to take the blessing of our Guruji, who has come long way, and it is a tradition in our caste, when any gurus of us come, we have to take the blessings, and it is pretty cool and pretty needed, because we have to take blessings from our elders, and we have to keep our tradition going on and respect our community, as well as we should learn to respect our tradition, because we have to teach our kids as well. So here we are taking the blessings of our Guruji, and it's nice too. So my son is busy clicking his own photos and uploading it. Anyways, it's there. They are like that nowadays. And this is the decorations, and I pretty like this concept of wedding nowadays. It has become very creative, and in way back in our marriages, it was only work and loads of work, but no creativity much, because most of the time used to go in doing other works. But nowadays we can hire people for works, and which makes it pretty easy. And you can see so decorative things they have kept for the next rituals which has to be taken place, and already they have done few. And nowadays I really enjoy seeing these things which will be creatively decorated and kept for pujas. And here is one such puja which was done before we came here, and pretty cool. And here are elders with their little bit of chit chats. So we are just sitting and chilling out, because not much work to do here. It's only to stare each other, what they are wearing, what jewelry they are wearing, and how they are got ready, and what they will do, etc. But anyways, we came to the place where we are going to stay tonight, and that is Red Lotus, one of the apartment in Mysore which they rent. Yes, this is a new concept which I heard recently, because usually I see most of it will be hotels or lodge or something where the rooms will be booked, but this was the first time I was getting in for a marriage where apartment was rented for staying, and it was pretty cool. It is a 3 BHK and fully furnished. As you can see, it's cool, and yes, I really like this concept, because people have come up with so many ideas nowadays, like they'll rent lodges, hotels, then it came to homestays, resorts, now it is like apartments. So it was like, anyone who is coming towards Mysore for such things, you can obviously come here and stay. To just pay some rent, what they say. We had booked, I mean, our relatives had booked around 12 to 13 rooms, so it has costed them less, I think. But if you really want to have the ambience of the house and still stay here, then you can book here. It is fully furnished, and you can see the kitchen is pretty much decorated and arranged the way our kitchen will be. And I was hoping something to be in the fridge, but it was not there, anything we had to bring. And you can see a dining table, a kitchen slab where you can see a lot of utensils to cook, plates, glasses, oven, and even the stove. So you can cook and eat yourself, or you can bring something and reheat and eat. So these are the options which will be available, and I really like this place because it was very cool and calm and very silent, which made me feel relaxed. So this is the place. And yes, we are going out to fetch our luggages as usual. No one will help for that, we have to help ourselves. So lot of luggages, because we have to carry everything for weddings and to look good and feel good. The room looks very fresh. Until we came here, it was very nice, but now we have just scattered everything. That is the best thing we can do. And I have arranged my things which I have to wear. And yes, I like things to be very selective and keep in such a way which will be easy to find. And this is how we have kept the room. And apart from that, this is where the guys of our house are sitting and talking about business, blah blah. Men, wherever they go, just they start up. And before we get ready, we are having our tea time, and which is pretty cool. And we are already in the convention hall, and I can see so many traditional dishes served here for evening snacks. And this is the hall. As you can see, it's lit up. And finally, this is the stage where the photo shoot is going on, and bride and groom are very busy in taking the photos. And this is the entire stage looking like wow. And yes, I just love it. And finally, we both are like sitting and chilling out, talking. That's all we can do. So this is our trip for marriage. Thanks a lot for watching this, guys.